Did you look under the chair? Did you look behind it?
Yeah, did you look behind the chair, honey?
Melanie. Honey,
Nope.
Melanie, look behind the chair. Go on the other side, honey.
Find it, yeah.
But, oh, maybe we shouldn't have until she's not.
Eggs! I see eggs! Ooh, biscuits.
Careful, honey, don't step on the curtains.
Look, Daddy. Open this.
Nope, I'm not gonna. You have to find all your eggs first, honey.
What's that?
Okay, you have to find your eggs first.
Okay, what's my eggs?
You gotta keep looking. Melanie.
Candy!
Okay, find your eggs before you eat any candy, okay?
I see one egg. Oh, here it comes. Here comes the egg.
Nope, you gotta find the rest of your eggs first.
Melanie, you got some more eggs to get.
It's
Turn around
too
again.
big.
Melanie, let's get your eggs first, okay?
I open it. Oh, what happened?
You dropped them all. Put them back in.